Slow cooker recipes are perfect for those nights that you know are going to be super busy and you're not going to have a lot of time in the kitchen. Also, I think they're great for like Sunday lunches. When you get home from church, your lunch is already ready to go. So today I'm sharing with you 2 amazing slow cooker recipes. This first recipe that we are making is called sweet and spicy peanut chicken. I think I'm going to absolutely love this dish because I really love Asian inspired recipes. But of course, the first thing we need to do is get out our crock pot. To the bottom of our crock pot, I am adding in 4 thawed chicken breast. You can use frozen if that's what you have on hand. I just luckily went ahead and thawed mine the night before. In a smaller mixing bowl, we need to add in some chicken broth, pepper jelly, creamy peanut butter, some soy sauce. Now I'm actually using a coconut aminos replacement for soy sauce, but if you're okay with soy sauce, just go ahead and use that. Now we love garlic, so I'm going to put in about a large spoonful of minced garlic. Now let's go ahead and take our whisk and give this a good mix. Y'all, I almost forgot, we also need to add in some salt and pepper. Once we have that all mixed together, we're just going to pour that right over the top of the chicken. Now that we have that going, we need to go over here to the counter and chop up 1 or 2 bell peppers. I'm adding these bell peppers just right on top, and then I'll take my whisk and just kind of pat it down into that liquid. Now we will place our lid on and cook this on low for about 6 to 8 hours. We are going to be serving our sweet and spicy peanut chicken over some white rice. My favorite way to cook that is just in my Instant Pot. I do 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice, just depending on how big your family is. It's just going to depend on how many things of rice you do. I also like to add in a little bit of butter to mine as well, and then I will cook that on high pressure for 15 minutes and then do a quick release when it's done. Once your chicken is done, you can go ahead and take it out of the crock pot. If you love shredded chicken, just go ahead and take 2 forks and shred that up. Or you can be like me, and I'm just gonna dice mine up into smaller bite-sized pieces. Y'all, I absolutely love this. It is so good. It's unique with that peanut butter, but it has absolutely amazing flavor. Tyler, he was a little bit skeptical of this recipe. He said, it really tastes like peanut butter. But after we put it all together and he tried it, he said it was really, really good. Another beauty about crock pots is that it gives you more time for chores after work. We have some scraps here that I was gonna bring to the chickens. And then we also have about 2 days worth of eggs that we need to collect. So the ducks, they don't like going inside the chicken coop to lay their eggs. So they have a little nest up under the coop. And so I have to get the net out to get these. Got them, and they took up an entire basket. Mama, do you have any eggs under there? I bet you do. I'm sorry, but I need them. Can you move? Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. We are not ready for baby chicks just yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these. Alright y'all, I am really excited to go ahead and get started on this second crock pot recipe. It is only 4 ingredients, unless you count salt and pepper as an ingredient. I typically don't count spices when I'm looking at ingredients because typically you'll have those in your pantry already. But this is called a slow cooker chicken and biscuits. And to me, when I was reading through the recipe, it reminded me a lot of like a combination of chicken pot pie and chicken and dumplings. I love both of those recipes, so I figure we're gonna love this one as well. We need to start out by adding in 3 cubed up chicken breasts to the bottom of our slow cooker. On top of that, we're gonna add in a family-sized can of cream of chicken soup. This chicken soup is a 22-ounce can. Next, we're adding in some frozen mixed vegetables. This bag is a 2-pound bag, and I'm only gonna add in about half of this. Of course, now we're gonna just give it one big stir. At this time, we're gonna add our lid on top and let it cook on high for 3 hours. After your 3 hours, we're gonna take a can of refrigerated biscuit dough. You can just rip it into pieces, or I'm gonna go ahead and just cut mine into 4s. We're gonna just layer that right on top of that chicken mixture and let it cook for an additional 1 hour. Y'all, wow, this is absolutely amazing. I mean, it is complete comfort food in a crock pot, and I was right. It is the perfect combination of a chicken pot pie, and then with the biscuits on top, it's like a dumpling. Y'all, this is so good. You really need to make this one. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen this week. I had a lot of fun making these slow cooker recipes with you. If you enjoy this type of video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. It is completely free and we do tons and tons of cooking here on this channel. Y'all leave me a comment down below on some of your favorite slow cooker recipes and I will see you next time. Bye.